Welcome back. You're watching Power Breakfast on CNBC-TV18. Back home on the Lal Street yesterday, trade tensions weighed in on the markets as well as the Sensex, Nifty and the Nifty Bank. All three of them hit 2-month closing close. It was the financials that dragged the Nifty as well as Reliance, while most mid-caps ended 8% in the red. Ekta joins us to give us all the market cues that are lined up today. Ekta, 3 days of pain and you're wearing red today.
Well, yes, it's actually been 6 consecutive days of pain, not just 3 days. The Nifty has ended lower for the 6th consecutive session as of yesterday. It ended at the low point of the day, and the Nifty, in fact, slipped below the 50-day moving average of 11,389. Now, yesterday also, the FII's net sold around 701 crores and the DII's net bought over around 200 odd crores. And if you look at it from a longer trend perspective, from the 26th of April, for example, from that particular Friday, the Nifty has corrected almost 400 points. The mid-cap index is down over 4%. Bank Nifty is down over 3%. And on a week-to-date basis also, there's been a marginal underperformance for the Indian markets as compared to the globe. MSCI Asia ex-Japan is down 3.18% at current reckoning, and MSCI India is down around 3.6%. So for today, it is the US markets, it is the global trade tensions which loom and the uncertainty over it, because tomorrow we'll have to wait and watch on whether that $200 billion tariff would actually start getting implemented. It would go up to 25% from 10% on $200 billion worth of goods. For the US markets, volatile session. Asia is also indicating that it is going to be a sluggish session at this point in time. Most of the markets are lower. And we have Brent crude, though it has gone even sub $70 per barrel. That's probably not going to be the primary concern for our markets at this point in time. So the SGX is still indicating that it could be a little bit of a start in the red. Let's see whether there is any sort of buy on dips which emerges in today's trading session. It is also the Bank Nifty options expiry, Nifty options expiry today. And I think one of the key trends that the market will be watching is whether or not this correction is based on the FIIs pulling out money continuously and whether that is becoming a trend. Remember, the FIIs have net sold over 2,000 crores in the past 4 sessions, and that would be important to watch out for. Results post-market, Titan will react to what is an adjusted set of numbers, and however, they did say that 20% growth target for FY20 is challenging, but they will achieve it. Results today, HCL Tech, Asian Paints, Voltas, Apollo Tyres, etc. South Indian Bank, PNB, IOB, a lot from the financial space. And I'd watch out for SBI, L&T, as well as something like an Eicher Motors, which will be coming out with numbers on Friday.
All right, Ekta, thanks a lot for that. But apart from these stocks, what are the other stocks that you're watching out for?
Well, yes, in terms of result reactions, we have Tata Communication, which will be reacting to numbers. Besides that, Shriram Transport, disbursements down 20% on a year-on-year basis. Yes Bank India Ratings has cut Yes Bank's long-term rating to AA- from AA+. Again, some more results. Koyuko Camlin, profit down 22%. KEC International net profit at 198 crores versus our poll of 210 crores. Alembic, because it came out with numbers yesterday, they guided for higher capex and R&D spend going forward in their conference call, so maybe that could weigh. HSBC has cut its target price on that stock. And we have Reliance Industries in focus, as Morgan Stanley has downgraded the stock to equal weight. And we also have Hindalco, which will be reacting to the Novelis numbers.
All right, Ekta, thanks a lot for that. Definitely keep an eye out on all those stocks.